Welcome back to Roaming the World with You. We're Christina and Sean, and we're on a mission to hit all 28 Caribbean islands. Today, we're on island number 9. We're starting on the wild side, the north coast of Aruba. Rugged, volcanic, and raw. No resorts, no infinity pools, just untamed coastline shaped by time, ancient ruins, and an off-road adventure that will take us places that no rental car can reach. From hidden caves to crashing waves, this is the Aruba they don't show you. And the first locals we meet, they're some of the nicest people we've encountered, showing us the true warmth of this island. Welcome to Aruba, one happy island.
And we happen to be here when it's a national holiday, specifically Anthem and Flag Day. And so they had a little celebration at the airport. They gave us a free bag with some goodies in it, but I didn't look inside the bag, did you?
Were there goodies in it?
Yeah. Well,
I thought it was an empty bag.
Clearly, he didn't look inside the bag either. We got a rental car.
We are heading to a barbershop to get my hair cut.
Because Sean did not do his pre-trip
barbershop visit. This trip kind of snuck up on us, so we were not 100% prepared ahead of time. We're gonna play a little bit of catch up today and just try and get oriented here in Aruba.
Yeah, it's early. It's like 2 o'clock. We landed at like 1 or 12:30, so we have plenty of time, and we don't really have anything scheduled, and we can't check into our hotel / Airbnb boutique hotel until 4, so it's perfectly fine that he gets a haircut. And I mean, it's kind of tradition. He's gotten a haircut in a lot of the places we've been to, so we'll tell you how much it costs. But Sean has a simple haircut, so they just shave him bald. But he does complain about the prices in the US, so I'm curious to know if he'll complain about the price here in Aruba.
Yeah, if it's more than 30 US, I'm going to be upset.
Oh, one thing of note, Aruba seems like a very interesting island already. I saw cacti, which I don't expect on a Caribbean island. From the water, from when we landed, looked gorgeous. The weather is beautiful. It's like 80 degrees, but compared to the 30s of Fahrenheit of New York, marvelous to me. It is time for a lunch. We're gonna go to this place called the Sexy Shrimp. Look at this burger. It's 2 patties.
It's been a while since I ate like this.
You're not gonna eat all that. Try fries. Really good. I got the fish tacos with garlic sauce, and I was told I have to try this hot sauce.
Did you like it?
It's the hot sauce. Wow, that's good. What is it? Oh, that will clear some stuff up. That's hot.
Yeah, you need to. Yeah, you can see the juices come out. Ooh. I think I went.
Let's get some Chuck's burger. Little hot sauce.
Oh, you dabbing it?
It's the spiciness doesn't last long. Like, it doesn't linger. It like hits you, but it doesn't like make you suffer. Super. I'm trying to taste this.
Yeah, good.
Right?
It's so creamy.
He told us to try this. We're both gonna regret it.
Want a new chip?
No, put it right there. Look, it won't come out the bottom.
This is like, are you sure? Are you sure you want this hot sauce?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Ready? That's how much can you see?
It's a whole ghost pepper on it.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Hey, you're not even on camera. I guess it wasn't enough.
It's a slow burn.
I don't think you tried enough.
It's slowly creeping in.
Yeah, it comes slow, but you just have a little bit.
Teeny. But now you have to have it because you said if we did it, you would do it.
If you ain't scared of life, don't fuck this shit up.
It's not even coming out.
Ah, there it is.
Oh.
Ooh, cheers. Just do it. Don't worry, your mom will know.
Ooh.
No way.
That was a lot. That was like 5 and whatever.
Okay, Sean, your turn.
In 10 minutes, you're gonna be breathing fire.
All right, you don't gotta do the same amount as him, but that's not even the same amount.
That's like 5 times.
That's
what
half.
You did. This is suicide.
I've been eating all this hot sauce.
Oh, that hit my tongue. Woo. Okay. It was just a little bit.
I got Pepto. We got another victim.
These guys probably do this for fun. Oh.
He doesn't need spice.
Oh, why would you do that to him?
It creeps up on you.
Yeah.
You gotta let it waft in. Woo! It's still on my tongue.
Look, no reaction. He tries to get you, no reaction.
Now he's kicking.
Oh.
You're going back, start screaming. The entire sexy shirt family.
Okay.
He said pour. He didn't say drop. He said pour. I should have done it with you. I just see a sweat come down.
Well, nothing.
That's have a pretty good flavor also.
Yeah.
I like it.
This is 5, and this is.
Ooh, that one is my favorite.
This is 3.
So you just don't feel spice at all?
I always try my food with the spicy sauce. I love the spicy.
You're one of those people. We just left Sexy Shrimp Sports Bar. The staff was so nice. Not only did we get to talk with them and joke around with them, but we also got them all to try hot sauce. And they gave us a shirt. I think for trying the hot sauce. Yeah, it's very cool. There you go. It's so nice of them that I'm willing to forgive that they gave me an extra large.
We've never had a welcome like this on our day one. Like, we haven't even made it to our hotel yet. And the food was absolutely delicious. You wouldn't think so. It's very, like, small place, but it was so good. Like, I can't even describe how good it was. Like, the fish was fresh. The aioli was delicious. Sean's burger, even though it was humongous, was really well cooked. So we're definitely gonna come back. They told us that they have events here at night. So like tonight somebody's coming to sing, and tomorrow there's gonna be acrobats. So we're gonna try to come back because it's not too far from our hotel. We think. We haven't mapped it yet. But let's keep going. Now it's time to check into our hotel, and we're gonna go and do that. And of course, we will show you where we're staying. We decided to hit the road and go to a lighthouse to catch sunset. And just like what I was saying earlier about how Aruba is so unique from any island we've been to so far, Sean said, what'd you say, Sean?
It's like Barbados had a baby with Phoenix, Arizona.
Why?
Because it's like there's cacti and desert areas, but also a beach right down the road.
Yeah. I'm curious to see the rest of the island. Oh, we're not the only ones going to the lighthouse. We went to the lighthouse in Barbados and there was no one here, and now it's like a lot of people here. So, but we're here for the experience and to watch the sunset. The California Lighthouse is at the northernmost tip of Aruba.
I don't have any other facts. It's extremely windy right now, so we apologize in advance for all the noise potentially that we're picking up. But the view is incredible. So, I mean, who really cares about the sound right now anyway?
It does cost to go up the lighthouse. We're not paying it today because we are coming back here tomorrow on an excursion. So we're like, why would we pay the fee twice? So you'll see it in one of our videos, what it looks like from the top. But there is a lookout, and we're going to try and go catch the rest of the sunset at the lookout. Good morning. It is our first full day in Aruba, And we are going to be exploring the north side of the island today. We are at Aruba Water Park, where we are going to be doing a UTV tours to get us started. Sean's flying the drone because when we drove in, we are like in Arizona. There's tons of cacti. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's go find our ride.
It's my birthday, and I'm going to try not to drive us off a cliff.
Bon dia, guys.
Bon dia.
Guys, are you ready to enjoy the day, guys? Are you ready to have a bumpy road in today?
Yes. So
I know it's early, guys. But guys, are you ready to go to a bumpy road in today, guys?
yes.
No donuts on the roading. When we go fast, you go fast. If we go slow, you go slow, guys.
It's at this point in the trip that unfortunately we lost all of our GoPro footage. So we have some phone footage from our day here, and all was not lost, but it was very unfortunate to lose the GoPro footage. But we're happy that we still have some of the trip to show you.
Stop number 1, and we are at Natural Bridge, which was destroyed. First, it was damaged due to Hurricane Ivan, and then it was destroyed during Hurricane Katrina, which is an interesting fact because this is an island that doesn't normally get hurricanes. Stop number 2 is Bushibana Gold Mine Ruins. So there used to be gold here. You think we'll find any? Maybe. Stop number 3 is the Baby Bridge. No, the Sun Bridge. Stop number 4 is Alto Vista Chapel. Stop number 5 is the California Lighthouse. Stop number 6 is Tres Capes and Boca Catalina Beach. Sean went snorkeling to a shipwreck, and I found a place to just sit and relax while we wait for him. Let me see. You see him? Like right there. What is he doing? Looks like he dropped something. He's looking for me. He's like way further from where he started. He's looking for something. What is he looking for? Maybe he sees something? You look like you lost something.
I was freaking out because there's sea urchins all underneath there. So there's sea urchins all over the ground. So if you put your foot down, you're likely to get stung. I mean, they're like hiding under rocks, but like all it takes is for your foot to like slide into it.
How did you see him?
Because I had this on.
Oh.
So yeah, but I got to the boat and I made it all the way around and came back.
Okay. What were they asking you about over there?
Well, they were like, oh, well, the lady only spoke Spanish, and she was like, oh, like, is it easy to get out there? And then she called her friend over there so I could be like, yeah, there's sea urchins.
Yeah.
But like, you can do it.
Oh, okay.
Like, you can make it.
Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Was it hard?
Well, my sandals acted as like a flotation device, and so did the mask. So I was basically just floating above. So, nah, it wasn't hard.
Okay.
Not for me. If I was swimming without these, maybe.
No.
I would get tired, but yeah. That's the end of our time in North Aruba.
If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And also check us out on Instagram and TikTok for the parts of this adventure that you didn't get to see.
Yes, it's the same name, at Roaming the World with You. We'll see you in the East.